I'm not used to filming with just one hand and using my phone. I usually use the iPad, so it's a lot easier. This is how they came out. So that looks like that. It's nice and brown and crunchy and, you know, got that lovely sound. This is the regular paper. It's real pretty. I don't know if the light is showing how they turn out, but this is the graph paper. You can see the green. And it's so pretty. And it got all over this one, which I like how it turned out too. It's real pretty. I love the crunchier the better. So for me, it's perfect. Yeah. And you know, in the other video before I lifted my finger, I was saying that if they're not totally dry, after I turn the oven off, and I have a big pile of these piled up, I'll just pile them all on one and I'll stick it back in the oven. And even if the oven's turned off, they'll continue to dry in there, and I don't have to worry about them catching on fire because there's no more reproducing heat, and then they just dry out really good and they look great. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody's having a great weekend.